reaction, then we have to show the reaction. What is reaction basically? When a body is attached to any other surface, okay, then the weight will be downward and the support will be upward. That this is the reaction. You got my point?
Yeah.
So reaction. Third is weight. Fourth is tension. If any string is attached with the load, with the weight, then the tension will be on the string towards the joint. Friction. So we have to make sure if there is a body where reactions are applied, then we have to show the reaction. We cannot do for our simplicity, for our convenience, we are not showing reaction so that we got just three forces so we can calculate it easy. No. If there are five forces, five different type of reaction or five different type of forces, then we have to show it because each and every force is making an impact on the body. Okay, each and every type of force is making impact on the body. If the question is saying no, there is no any friction, then it is okay, there is no friction. If there is no any string attached, no strings is attached to the load to the body, then there is no tension. Okay, then it is okay. Otherwise we cannot do by ourselves that weight is zero, that reaction is zero, there is no reaction, we can easy we just simplify our question. No, we have to show the reaction. Okay, if the body is attached on two surfaces, then we have to show it in two surfaces. Clear? You got my point?
I have a doubt actually.
Hmm. Hmm.
What is the
Yeah.
difference between reaction and internal force? Because like as you are saying, like if there is one body on top of another, then it like the sign will be in the opposite direction. So won't that be internal force also?
Just a minute. See, there is a ball which is attached on two surfaces, right? There is a ball attached to two surfaces. Okay, when it is attached to this surface, so we have to show the reaction on this side. Okay, we have to show the reaction on this side. Okay, and the
Yes.
weight of the block is ball is downward. Okay, if it is B point, then we have to make it RB and this is RA. Okay, so we cannot, what my
Yes.
point is, if we cannot just ignore it, if there is no RA, just leave it. We have to show the RA. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If there is another ball which is attached to this side, then it will be reaction like this. This is a C point, then it is RC. There is a reaction on R. If it is ball 1, it is ball 2, and it will be from 2 to 1, R2 1. Okay, and its weight W downward. For ball 1, it is RA, it is RB, it is W1, it is R21, it is R21, 1 2. Now, you see, there is a ball 2. How many forces are applied on it? How many forces are affecting it? One is RC, reaction on this surface, C, to the ball 2. Okay, its weight downward and its reaction from 1 to 2. These three forces are applied on it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And from this side, there is R21, which is from 2 to 1. Now that is okay. Whatever the force of 2 to 1, that will be the same to 1 to 2. R1, 2, and 2, 1 are equal and opposite in direction. That is okay. But there is R12 and R2. We cannot ignore this. Okay. And then RA, then RB, then W1.
Done, sir. Sir, you're muted actually.
I'm just taking one question on the basis of this diagram. If I'm taking W1 as 100 Newton and W2 as 120 Newton and the angle 1 and 2 angle, this theta is 45 degree. Then what will be RA, RB and RC? Find the value of reactions, supports RA, RB and RC. Okay, this is our question. See, the ball and the whole system is in equilibrium. Since the system is in equilibrium, then all the three things, summation FV0, summation FS0 and summation M0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now you see there is ball 1. There are four forces, RA, RB, W1, R21. Four forces are applying on it, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is only one known force, that is W1, which is known to us. Otherwise, three forces are unknown. Okay. Now, in the ball 2, there are three forces W2, RC, R12. There are three forces and one is known to us. So, first of all, we will take ball 2 and solve it. Then, when we get the value of R12, that will be equal to R21. Okay. We have the value of 21 and W1 already we know. So, we get the value of RA and RB. That will be our process to solve the question. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Since the whole system is in equilibrium, so upward force positive, downward force negative, rightward force positive, and leftward negative. We will use the same method to solve the question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Summation FB0, summation FH0. First of all, for ball 2, then for ball 1. You just do the thing. If there is any problem, then tell me.